For the intermediate workout, you want to start with a warm-up. First, we're going to do a 10-second hold in a push-up position, 10 shoulder shrugs, and then you're going to do 10 switches of your hands. And you're going to do that 3 times through. 10-second hold, 10 shoulder shrugs, 10 switches. We've placed the bar on a yoga mat. It helps it with sliding, because in gymnastics, you want to keep up your strength and try to work things in combination. So we put together a little routine for you to do, and that starts with 3 casts, jump 3 times, 3 push-ups, 3 shoulder taps on each side, and a leg cut back and forth. And then a squat on, jump off, finish. Good, and we'd like you to do 3 of those routines to try to keep your strength up. Next, you're gonna do a handstand with your feet on the wall. You're gonna hold it for 10 seconds, then do 10 shoulder shrugs. And then you're gonna do 5 shoulder taps on each side. So another little warm up for you, and you wanna do that 3 times through. Next step is 3 times you're going to straddle up to a handstand, and then hold it for 10 seconds with your back to the wall. Do that 3 times. Next thing is gonna simulate casting to a handstand on the bar, and you're gonna bounce up 3 times. Good, and you can jump if you don't have a soft area. An alternative, if you don't have a bouncy surface, is to jump to a handstand each time, and then you can plie and jump to a handstand. Very good. A challenge would be to kneel up handstand up against the wall and balance. And that is working a press strength as well as a cast handstand strength. 3 casts, so you're gonna jump and show a calf shape. Then 3 push-ups and 3 shoulder taps on each side.